In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nudge in Canva. Nudging is a simple but powerful way to move elements just a little bit at a time, so you can line things up perfectly without dragging with your mouse over and over. This is especially helpful when you're working on detailed designs, like social media posts, presentations, or any layout where spacing really matters. First, open your Canva design in the editor. This can be any design you're working on, a poster, a slide, a video thumbnail, it doesn't matter. Once the design is open, look at the canvas area in the middle of the screen and choose the element you want to adjust. This could be a text box, an image, an icon, or any other graphic element. Click on it once so that you can see the selection box around it. That tells you the element is active and ready to be moved. With the element selected, you can start nudging it using your keyboard. To move it in very small increments, use the arrow keys on your keyboard, up, down, left, or right. Each tap on an arrow key will move the element just a tiny amount in that direction. This is perfect when you're trying to line something up with another object, or you want to make a subtle adjustment without accidentally shifting it too far. Take your time and tap the arrows gently until the position looks just right. Sometimes though, you might want to move the element more quickly across the canvas while still using the keyboard. In that case, you can use a slightly different approach. Keep the element selected, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding Shift, press one of the arrow keys. Now the element will move in larger steps in the direction you choose. This lets you cover more distance with fewer key presses, but still in a controlled, precise way. You can switch between these two styles of movement at any time. Use the regular arrow keys for fine-tuning and lining things up pixel by pixel, and use Shift plus the arrow keys when you want bigger, more noticeable jumps. This combination gives you a lot more control than dragging with your mouse alone. That's all you need to know to nudge elements in Canva. By practicing these small and large movements, you'll be able to position your design elements with much more accuracy and speed.